Hey, so Nala's tongue is literally hanging out the side of her mouth. She does not want to look at me. Come here, look. Look at my hand. Look at it. That's hilarious. It's still over there. Alright, that's enough. Say goodbye, Nala. Say goodbye, Nala's tongue.